Hi, this is Akash from Mockat. The IIM Lucknow shortlist for the academic year 2024 to 2026 is available now. In this video, I will show you how to find out if you have been shortlisted for the WAT-PI round. You would have received a mail from IIM Lucknow. Check the mail if you have not checked yet. This is the PDF you would have received in the mail. We have also attached the PDF link in the description. This is the minimum and maximum composite score to qualify the WAT-PI round. For example, this candidate have cleared the sectional cutoff on the composite score for ABM program, so it is highlighted in yellow. But in MBA program, the candidate have not cleared the composite score, so it's not highlighted in yellow. You can also use Ctrl F, then type in your categorization number to check your status. Another link will be included in your email that will take you to IIM Lucknow application login website. Please fill out and submit the form before January 8th at 4 pm. Despite the fact that the number of test takers is much more higher than the previous year, the number of students selected for WAT-PI is pretty similar. If you found this video useful, please like it and subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive regular updates. Thank you and good luck.